Class 12th Applied Mathematics Practical 4. Inverse, transpose and determinant of a matrix. So for that we'll click on start, then on Excel logo, and then on blank workbook. So here this is the first cell, we'll drag it downwards column wise. So here we are, and then we'll increase the font size. So let it be 16. You can take any other size also. Then we'll merge some of the cells here so that we can write down the heading of our practical. So click on merge and center, and I change the font size to 16 and write here the heading, that is inverse, then transpose and determinant of a matrix. So this is our heading, inverse, transpose and determinant of a matrix. So let us write here matrix A. For that I will take two cells and merge them so that I can write here matrix A. So this is matrix A, again increasing the size, font size to 16. Then I am taking order 3 cross 3, and you have to remember that we can find the inverse and determinant of a matrix only if it is square matrix, otherwise not possible. That is, the number of rows and columns should be equal. So let us drag this one row downwards. So the matrix which I am taking is first row, let me take 0, then 1, then 2, next row I will take 1, then 2, and then 3. Third row I will take 3, 1 and 1. So here also let me increase the size of the numbers, so it will be 16. And next what we'll do is we'll find one by one all of these. So let us find the inverse of matrix A. So for that we'll just take here some cells, say 2 cells, and then merge them so that we can write down the heading here, matrix A inverse, matrix A inverse. And how to write matrix A inverse? For that we'll go in this arrow, you can see that, just click on that one. Here you'll be having font, and then effects are there, strike through, superscript, subscript. So we will click on superscript and then OK, and then write here -1. Once is over, then again click on this arrow and then tick off this superscript, then click on OK, and now this matrix A inverse is we have written symbolically. Now we select this whole and then increase the font size to 16. Now next what we'll do is, here we'll write A inverse, and the order of A inverse is same as that of matrix A. Here matrix A is of order 3 cross 3, so A inverse will be also of order 3 cross 3. So we'll write here equal to. So what you have to do is click inside this box, first cell of the matrix, the 9 cells which you have selected, equal to, and then write here M inverse, M inverse, and after that put this curve bracket and then select the whole of matrix A. So we have selected that, then close it. After that press Ctrl Shift Enter, all three together. So this is our matrix A inverse. Now next what we'll do is we'll just increase the size of this to 16. So this 16 now. Also we can decorate all these so it will look attractive. Select inverse, transpose and determinant of a matrix. This was our heading. So we can fill any color. Suppose I am putting here say green color, light green, then make it bold. Here also matrix A will fill up with color of whatever choice we want, suppose orange it is. Then matrix A inverse also, just click outside and then select this one, matrix A inverse again, then any color, suppose let it be yellow color. Then let us color this matrix A also, all the 9 cells. So let it be green, and this matrix A inverse also, that will color with some different color, so it should be visible. So you use always light color, so this is light color, and then let us make all of them bold also. So selecting all of them and clicking on bold. So this is matrix A and this is the inverse of matrix A. So A inverse. Next we'll find the transpose of matrix A. So what is the transpose? A transpose is the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a given matrix. So if given matrix is order m cross n, the transpose of matrix which is given to us, it will be n cross m. So here if you see that the order of matrix A is 3 cross 3, so the order of transpose of matrix A, that is A transpose, will be also 3 cross 3, because if you interchange 3 cross 3, it will remain still 3 cross 3. So let us merge here two cells so that we can write here matrix A transpose. So here we'll click inside this and write matrix matrix, then A, then we'll click on this here arrow is there, and we'll click on superscript, then OK, then we'll write T. So this is matrix A transpose. Then again we'll have to go in the same arrow, then tick it off and press OK, then press outside and then select this matrix A transpose and we'll color it. So suppose we give the color as pink. Then the order of matrix A and A transpose will be the same, because matrix A is a square matrix. So in a square matrix the order of matrix A and A transpose will remain the same. So here now we'll select 9 cells and write equal to, then next write transpose TRANSPOSE, then bracket, curve bracket, and we select all the elements of matrix A. So this is what we have selected. Close the bracket with curved one and then press Control Shift Enter, all three together. Control Shift Enter, all three together. So this is what we have got. Now let us see whether this is correct or not. So our first row is 0 1 2. Now it has become the first column 0 1 2. Then we can see that the second row is 1 2 3. It has become the second column 1 2 3. Then the third row is 3 1 1. It has become the third column 3 1 1. So that means our matrix A transpose which we are obtaining here, that is correct. So now let us color it. Select all the 9 elements and we'll go in fill color. From that let us go in more colors, and from here let us this color we can take, or any other color you can take, choice is yours. So here we can just adjust this, because now they all have been aligned. And now at the end we'll find determinant of matrix A. So for that what we'll do is, let us merge here two cells, write their determinant DETERMINANT A. So the determinant A. Next we'll select all of them and increase the font size to 16. So also what we'll do is the space is less, so we can merge more cells. Just click on this one. So now and just will drag it from here till here. So now we can see this determinant A is there. So we'll just color it now. Any color we can do from here. Suppose let us take this blue color. So that is what we'll do. And so it is not it is looking somewhat dark and determinant A is not visible, so we'll make it somewhat light in color. So again we'll select it and then move back to colors and let us say this very light black color. So it's now okay, determinant A. And what is determinant? Determinant of a given matrix A is a unique number associated with the matrix, and determinant is obtained only for a square matrix, not for other matrices. So now we'll find determinant. So for that just select any cell in which you want to find the determinant, write equal to and then write M DETERM, determ, then curve bracket and then select all the elements of matrix A. So this is matrix A. Then close with the curve bracket and then press simply enter. So this is our value of determinant A, that is minus 2. We will select it and again we will give some color to it. Very light color we can give. So yes, so this is determinant minus 2. And this also, let us drag one row down so it will look better. You can click anywhere and drag it down. So this is matrix A inverse. So this is our matrix A. This is matrix A inverse. This is transpose of matrix A, and this is determinant of A. So with this, our practical is complete. That is how to find the inverse, transpose and determinant of a matrix.